Hello puppetry enthusiasts! Are you ready for the Puppetarians online Puppet Summer Camp 2021? Everyone can join this summer camp. No fee, no registration. All you have to do is visit the Puppetarians YouTube channel. All the sessions will be uploaded here. A material list will be shared a couple of days prior to the session under the Puppetarians YouTube channel's community tab, and also on the Facebook event and the Facebook group specially created for the Puppet Summer Camp. You have to see that material list and collect all the materials. The puppet making session will be uploaded every Friday at 11 AM. We will be there to chat live with you all the time in the live chat and answer any questions in the comments. If you are ready with the materials, make the puppet along with us during the session. Or you can also make your puppet afterwards during the whole week at your pace. You can always watch the session again when you start making your puppet, as the session is going to be there for always. After you are done, send us a picture or small video clip of your puppet and you on mail or on the Facebook group. All your works will be showcased on the channel in the finale week. Then come back again next Friday to attend another exciting puppet making session, and so on. The sessions are absolutely free, but if you'd like, you can donate a little for COVID relief work here in India. The links will be in the description of every session. When you donate, send us a screenshot of your transaction and you will be given a shout out during the next live chat. Share about this super fun Puppet Summer Camp among everyone you know, and let's make this summer exciting. Let's play puppet.